Sure, we miss the cozy confines of the Campbell's Custom Care Studio, but we love it here in Indianapolis as well. Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com at the annual PRI show. If you want to get that jump at the tree, nitrous is the way to do it. And for 24 years, Nitrous Outlet has been the place to go for all things nitro. Well, Dave, now some new lines have spun off of Nitrous Outlet, including Nitro Dave. So what does Nitro Dave's do that's different from Nitrous Outlet?
We've broadened our product line to go after different areas of the market. Anything from hoses and fittings to specialty trailer components, methanol injection for boosted applications.
How do you ensure quality? Because there's all kinds of stresses when it comes to putting nitrous through a system.
Quality is very important. We have several steps within our system to make sure that the end product that's going out the door is exactly what it needs to be so that we have the same results over and over again.
Who's the target market?
Man, it's pretty broad. We do anything from the guy that's just got a little weekend hot rod, drag boats, bikes, snowmobiles. The streetcar market is really the larger part of the businesses. And then the hardcore race area, well, that's just my love.
Looking at the folks that are streeting nitrous cars, what do you have for them in the way of meth heads?
In 2024, we'll be releasing our methanol injection systems. As of right now, all of our meth injection systems are on cars that are class cars like Ultra, H275, and LDR. We've been getting data from those guys over the last 3 years to help us build our street car product line.
If you're running nitrous on the street or on any track, Nitrous Outlet's the place to go. NitrousOutlet.com has everything you need. And if they don't, head on over to Nitro Dave's. If you love high-performance vehicles, Italy is the place to go to get one. If you want parts for high-performance vehicles, Italy is the place to get those. Italian Rods and Pistons has been making rods and pistons in Italy for over a decade. Now, Francesco, your process and your materials is what sets you apart. Why are Italian Rods and Pistons better?
For example, the piston, normal competitor forge the piston, heat treatment, machine it, and finish. We do forging, machine it, heat treatment, machine it another time. So we want to remove all stress of the piston, and because we want piston to wall cylinder tolerance very tightening to remove the blue bye. So for remove the blue bye to make more power, we need to have very tightening piston.
Now that's the pistons. What about the materials you use in the rods?
We have material in silver about 1,200 megapascal, in gold 1,500 megapascal. In platinum we have maybe right now the best material in the market, so we have 2,100 megapascal, about 300 kSi, and we have 12% elongation of material.
You're always innovating, and you brought something new to PRI. What'd you bring?
We bring here the first stroker kit of the world for S58, M2, M3, M4, X3M, X4M. So we increase displacement from 3 liter to 3.2 liter.
What are some of the famous makes where we can find your products?
We are very specialist in Aventador, Huracan, Porsche 991, 992, 997, with also ES Motor is one of the best our customer.
Some pretty amazing machinery out there. Manufactured in Italy with Italian quality, warehouse in Phoenix, Arizona, USA, famous worldwide. You can find them at ItalianRPUSA.com. You can get the durability and the performance you need. More race cars and go fast gear when Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, returns from the PRI show in Indianapolis.